Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So we're going to go straight into the video. It is the July edition of the Natural Beauty box, which provides natural and handmade beauty products. This month, from what I saw, is a special themed, and initially here to start off with, you have got the card. And this month, the July edition is the Zero Waste Beauty by the Natural Beauty box, plastic free July. So that's the card, and on the back here it tells you all the items here, and spoiler alert, sorry, I'm gonna tell you the value. It says here it's all worth £58, so that's what's inside the box. So putting that to one side. Next one are some cards. This is from a company called Nini Organics. It's a vegan organic beauty products, and it's got details here about how they're proud that all the items are 100% natural and organic skincare beauty items. And then you've also got another card here, which is basically the same as the other. Tells you what the Instagram page is and so on, and also how to win how to purchase your goodies. And also you've got the same card, but this one is obviously different. It's got 15% discount if you use this particular code, which is Nini Lover Is. So there you have it. I think it's Ease or 13, not too sure. So there you have it. Okay, next item here. This says guilt-free shampoo in a cube. Very interesting idea. I'd like to try that actually. Reduce your plastic waste. Vegan friendly, organic, 100% plastic free packaging, sulfate free. So this one is beauty from a company called Beauty Kubes. And it's got that where you kind of like take it in the cube and then crumble it and then run water, and I presume after that you're going to actually create you're going to put it into your hair once it's actually become a smooth paste, I presume. But there you go, there'll be the instructions there. So interesting concept. Okay, so the first thing I can see here is a brush. It says flawless, and it does feel kind of soft, and I'm assuming that it might be an eco-friendly kind of brush, but there you have it. Next item I can see here is from Nini Organics. This is the Natura Miracle Mask. It's detoxifying, depolluting and deep cleansing skin treatment mask, 100% natural, organic and wild crafted. So there you have it. Very interesting. I cannot wait to try it. I'm just gonna have a little bit of very powdery, airtight, and that's created that. Just gonna see if there is actually a smell. Yes, there is a smell. There is, but it's not overpowering. It does kind of smell kind of minty and fresh as well. I like the smell, and it's not overpowering. Believe you me, I would know. Very sensitive nose. So that's that item. And the next one looks very interesting. This is the 100% natural organic chocolate bar face soap, 100 grams, cocoa and vanilla with shea butter, coconut nectar, jojoba esters, or depending on how you pronounce it. I pronounce it as esters. So there you have it. That's very, very interesting. Ooh. Okay, it's showing teeth, but I'm not too sure if it's showing teeth, is it for teeth? What is it for? Because I thought it's for the face. I'm ruining the packaging here, but this is so cool. Do you know what? I'm just really interested in seeing what's in here. Let's have a look if it really, really looks like. It looks like chocolate. Oh, look at that. How interesting. Like chocolate. Let's smell it. It smells like basically more like coffee. Dark chocolate, very dark chocolate. Coffee, bordering the smell of coffee. So if you're not into that, you'll be affected by it. But I love trying things like these. This is so cool. Really, really, really chuffed about this. And yeah, so organic chocolate face soap. So it's face soap. It does feel as if it's actually quite moisturizing. You can, if I show you what I mean by that, if I just rub it, and then you can see a sheen there. So it looks as if it will be really moisturizing. It won't be one of those that dries out your skin. I cannot wait. So cool. So cool. Okay, next item is the friendly soap. And again, another soap, which is for peppermint and poppy seed essential oil, natural and handmade. and it's cruelty free, palm oil, free from palm oil, parabens, SLL, and also cruelty free. So that's that one. And you have in here, how much is 95 grams, or which is equivalent to 3.35 ounces. So this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, this definitely smells very, very peppermint. Ooh, oh, okay, that's very powerful actually. Very, very powerful. Again, I like that very much. I better hurry up, guys. My son's hands are getting tired. This one has got an expiry date, whatever it is. I was just about to pop it out. I better not do that. Oh, this is the one, the beauty cubes. So basically, products made in cube kind of shape. And this one is a shampoo and a body wash. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a sniff. Actually, I'll show you what it looks like in small cubes, like sugar cubes. Yeah, there isn't actually a very strong smell to this at all. Actually, it kind of smells kind of, I don't know how to explain it, as if it's got like ooh, I can't even think what kind of smell is in here, but it doesn't smell too strong. But yeah, that's interesting. And nearly done. This is the intensive hand balm with Big Green Tree. That's company Big Green Tree. And just going to see. Okay, this one does smell strong. I don't necessarily think I like the smell of this because it smells kind of like mint, too minty. And I don't necessarily think that that's actually a great smell for hand creams. No, hair perhaps, but and the body washes, but balm are not that I'm going to have on my skin. I don't necessarily want to smell kind of minty, but for the purpose of trying it is very, very soft. Whew. Okay, we're just going to try it out. It's very, very, you can see it's very oily. So this is for super, super drying hands. So just putting it there, you can see there's definitely a sheen. This is something that will be, oh, actually, it's got like a tingly motion on the skin as well. This is perfect for winter times, when your hands get super dry. I know for a fact mine do, especially in between my fingers. I usually get, oh, this is so softening. This is amazing. Oh my God, I actually love this. My skin feels so soft. It's ridiculous. Honestly, this is brilliant. If only they could get a different smell to this, it would be absolutely perfect. But you know what? It makes such an instant difference that I'm in love with this straight off. It is so, so nice. It really softens the skin. This is amazing. This will work really well on dry feet as well. Now, final item is, God knows what this is. I'm trying to get it open. Pulling it, whatever this is. This is the Zao. I think the company is called Zao, Z-A-O, Essence of Nature, and Pearl Eyeshadow. Ooh, Pearl Eyeshadow, number 105. Okay, makeup, all right. Oh, okay, I guess it doesn't want to be open. Look at that, in the wooden container. Wowee, Essence of Nature. Okay, Zao, Essence of Nature. This is definitely not my shade. Leave it out. Oh, come on now. This is not for me. But you know what? I'm not going to try and get rid of it. Oh, it's magnetic as well. I love. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I'll keep dropping it. Look at that. Go, go, go. Yeah. Can you see that again? Look at that. Okay, that's enough now. Well, that is interesting. I wonder if he's got any information. Oh God, yeah, the information is there, but it's so tiny, it's ridiculous. No, thank you. No one's got time for this. No. Okay, that's the lot. Very, very interesting. Very, very, very pleased. But for this one, the eyeshadow, which I can't make use of. All the other items, I cannot wait to try these. These are my kind of thing altogether. And yeah, I am actually really, really in love with this. And I know that a lot of people don't like using soap, but when you have it naturally handmade, you tend to find that the soap does not dry out your skin like other normal soaps that you get. So they are worth giving a try, especially with peppermint and so on. Your skin tends to feel really, really polished and clean and really soft. and I cannot wait. I love the balm. It is so nice. It's brilliant. So thank you. That is the unboxing. A bit longer than normal because I got to try out the items, but as you can see, definitely well worth it as far as I'm concerned. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. If you did, let me know in a comment which one was your favorite. And on top of that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. And I will speak to you all very, very soon. Bye.